Good day, my friends. In this video I will show you 3 functions that not so secret but not many knows for Casio W800H. Okay, so first is the LCD check. To do that, press the adjust button, the mode button and the 12-24 hours button at the same time. So to do that, you can hold like this, and now it shows this LCD check. And then press the mode button again, it will show this code, the module or the program code. And then press the mode again, it will show another LCD check screen again, and now it returned to the timekeeping. Okay, the second function I want to show you is that in any mode you can return to timekeeping mode by press and hold the mode button. So for this one, for example, if I'm in the alarm mode, I can return to timekeeping mode without pressing this mode button several times, but just press and hold the mode button like this. Okay, now it returned to the timekeeping mode. And the third function is the alarm sound check. Press the mode button to go to the alarm mode, okay, and then press and hold this one, the 12-24 hour, and it will make a beep sound like this. So this is how the alarm sound. Okay, and then to return to the timekeeping mode, we can use the tips to press and hold the mode button as we show you before. Okay, that's all for the 3 not so secret functions of the W800H. Hopefully this is useful, and see you again in the next video. Bye.